Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to do another iPhone unboxing. This is the iPhone 12 mini. I definitely had to get my hands on this. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so here we have the iPhone 12 mini. I actually got this from T-Mobile. When I heard about this device, I really wanted to check it out. There's no question how much I was in love with the iPhone 5S, with the 6S, but the only problem with that is that it had the bezels and they just kept on going big from there. This is definitely something that I really wanted to check out. I still have the iPhone 12 Pro, and I will actually show you guys it side by side when we do unboxing, but as far as what I've been seeing a lot of people have been saying that the battery life has been terrible, and it's not really that. I mean, yes, you will have a smaller battery because it is a smaller phone, but just remember how fast it is to charge this thing. So let's just get right into the unboxing itself. So you have the red Apple logo right there, iPhone over here. The box is pretty small, by the way. It's a little bit smaller than the iPhone 12 Pro box, but let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. Alright, so the first thing you're greeted with is that red iPhone look right here. Definitely nice. Now, this is a little bit different from the red that I'm normally used to. Like, if you had the iPhone 7 Plus in red, it was like a darkish red. Now, you know Apple, they like to change their color palette when it comes to their names, but this is definitely different. It's a little bit lighter, so it's not a dark red, it's pretty much right in between, and then right here in the top it's actually lighter than that, so that's a little bit weird too. But so let's just take this off, alright, and put that to the side. So in the box you do get just your charger, so you don't have a charging brick, so you do have to pick up your own, and make sure that it has a Type-C plug-in when you do actually pick that up. Now on the inside you do get your product red logo here, and this does say that it helps with AIDS, but I did hear that it helps with the CV19 going on. So you have your SIM ejection tool, your iPhone, and one Apple sticker. Alright, so let's just power this baby on. Just start up real quick. Now, just to let you guys know, I have been using this for a few days because I did not have a chance to record the actual unboxing, so I just did a little bit of a mock unboxing that I actually did. Now let's get right into my 24 hours 48 hours after having the iPhone 12 mini. Now, one thing I can honestly say is that the battery life has not been as bad as everybody has been saying. I did actually run through this the whole entire day, 6 in the morning yesterday, a charge of 96%. It pretty much lasted me a whole while. Let me see if I get a stand so I can stand this up. Alright, so there's no stand here. So it did actually last me pretty well. I'm really impressed with the screen. That's another thing that I really like about this device, is how crispy the screen looks, especially when they kept it at 1080p, which I'm very glad that Apple did it. But you know, when you do that, what happens is now you're going to sacrifice some type of battery life because you have a smaller battery life with 1080p. But honestly, I really like this phone. The most important part that I really like about this phone is that I could do everything with one hand. Now, my hands aren't huge, but they aren't small, so I could definitely manage going from corner to corner, no problem. So I really don't even need to have my second hand out. But I really like this phone. I'm not even playing, guys. The cameras are pretty good. You don't have the zoom in where you can zoom in 1x 2x, but you can actually just do that manually if you just pinch out, so you could definitely get that done no matter what. But it charges pretty quick. I think it charged from 0 to 100 in about an hour, so it does charge a little bit fast. Not super fast, but it definitely does. The feel in the hand is really nice. I love the crispy screen. Cameras are pretty good. Alright, so overall I'm really enjoying it so far. Let me pull out the 12 Pro so you guys can see the size difference. When you see them side by side, you're actually going to think that this is the 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max on the right, but this is actually the 12 Pro. and this is the actual 12 mini. So you guys let me know what you guys think. Which one did you pick up? Are you thinking about picking up a mini? Are you thinking about picking up the Pro Max? I honestly, if you have medium to large hand and you need a phone that you could do from corner to corner, this definitely might be the one. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the iPhone 12 mini and more tech to come. I will have a lot of case videos, guys, so just stay tuned for that. And just subscribe to the channel and hit that thumbs up button. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video.